Another day, another waterfall, and this time Camley Waterfall. We just walked here from the other one. Cannot remember the name right now, but we walked here. We had a lunch break on the way. We had some rice, grilled meat, I love that, and some egg, delicious. So here the tickets,
40,000 dong a piece for adults to walk in, and super nice with an epic walk here. It was super beautiful. 7 kilometers walk here, and we stopped to eat lunch. So have you missed it, so you must be earlier to watch the videos. So you cannot come now and say, oh, we missed the walk, because we already walked there. So we missed the food. We already have eaten there. So sorry guys, you must be faster. It's all your fault. It's not my fault that we forgot to film. So let's go.
Camley Waterfall. He took the tickets directly.
Yeah, I bought the tickets, and then he took the tickets, and then we go back and lay them in the reception.
Oh, I have to show you this. One of my favorite flowers. I love those.
What?
I will turn off the photo.
Yeah, 80,000 dongs to this nice place. And like everywhere in Southeast Asia, you have to pay a small entry fee, but it's okay. And this is Camley. And here you can buy some beautiful clothes. Xin chào. Oh, beautiful.
Look in here. Ah, you can rent dresses.
And of course, we are in Vietnam, so we have the beautiful reindeers. So we got the reindeers. And you can hear the hissing sound from the waterfall. It's beautiful. But I don't think you can swim in here either. And they're pretty clean. And I read Google reviews and say this was super dirty, a disgusting place, don't go here. But I don't think so. They have managed to build it up pretty nice. And the water is okay. I wouldn't swim in the water, but it's decent. I've seen much worse water. So sometimes the comments from the Google Maps is not particularly right. And all of these things.
You like this? You running?
I think so, I don't know. Maybe too big for running, so I maybe have it behind a horse or something. Okay, ride behind the bull. Maybe you can. But let's go down to the water.
And then I think that people, oh, we're going to visit a waterfall, and you go here, and you think it's all just in the nature, but this is built up. It's tourist attractions. So it's not that nature vibe that you're looking for, maybe. It's more, I think very many people go to these places to get some good pictures. I admire their work here on places like this. They really want them to look nice. Thank you, Hal.
Yeah.
Here we have an elephant, natural size. Oh, this was beautiful. I like it. Thumbnail?
A little bit dirty, but I've seen worse. I see some dirt there, but it's okay. I've seen worse. And a tired old horse there. That I don't like. But that's the culture, so you have to appreciate it. Yeah. I will hold it and film you for the thumbnail. You and the elephant, maybe. I can do, but stand up. I think it's better if you stand there by the beats.
This is the only elephant that I ever going to post with.
Perfect. The longest thumbnail ever. Yeah. It's only me who makes the thumbnail sound. It's not for Anna at all. And then we got mushrooms. And after this we're gonna go home. So we hike home from this piece as well. So totally we're gonna hit like something like 14-15 kilometers. Because we took a grab to the first place and we walked here. And the walk here was 7 kilometers, and it was an epic view of the mountain and the forest and so on. And here we got some scary swans. Oh, the swans wasn't real. I thought it was real swans. No, just joking, guys. But how can you manage to go around? Because we can be on the other side as well.
Over there. I have seen that some people eat those. Is the same species that you eat? You don't do the sound, but maybe that's a thumbnail. Yes, you can walk up there, down this way here, over the bridges, and round and come up on this side here. The noise is really heavy in the ears. Those kind of flowers can grow in any water whatsoever. The surroundings are very beautiful. Some details everywhere. Ah, you can see the waterfall from above here. What kind of animals it is. Is that just fiction or is it a real one? That tower is amazing. I think they call it parrot flower. It's beautiful. So many details.
Yeah, decent. Not the best place we have been at, but if you have nothing to do up here and want to go for a walk, it's absolutely perfect. And please stand under the beautiful tree, because I think it's gonna be a good IG moment.
I love these towers.
Yeah. And,
Angel trumpets.
beautiful. And now start the walk home, or you have talked about that?
No.
You have not?
No.
So now we will start to walk home again. So this time, if you want to just hang around to see us walk home to the hotel, now is the time to watch. You cannot come later and say, oh, I want to see that. So come along.
And Google Maps say over this bridge. Here you can see some dirt in the river here, but we have seen so much worse in every country actually. And all the beautiful flowers everywhere. And now we're going to
left or right?
Right. She got all freaked out before before the bridge. Turn left, turn right, turn left. But now the internet is comme ci, comme ça sometimes. And now it's working.
Yes.
So we have 40 minutes home.
We are high up in the mountains, so that's why the internet are just decent. It's not perfect. And I think that is okay. I'm still so old, so I think it's nice when we have internet. So when we have a hotel, oh, we got the internet. I get lucky. But maybe that's just because I'm old.
Yeah, and that's a funny thing. We always get very surprised in buses or trains or planes that you can actually charge your phone. It gets me surprised every time. And it's silly, I know, because you can charge your phone everywhere nowadays, but it's not for me.
Yeah, so on travel days we always have a full phone and we don't use it all day, or almost all day, so we can save up the battery if something crazy happens, so we have batteries. So, funny thing, but that's a real honest truth from our hearts to your hearts. We are not that technical and we don't use internet and Wi-Fi so often, but if we have it, we're happy. So when Anna says the Wi-Fi here is so, it's good. We're in the mountain and we got Wi-Fi. We are in Vietnam now, we got Wi-Fi. So it's exciting.
And what way home? I want the dog. Some, yes, I can take a juice. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, I take fruit.
Yes.
Mixed.
That one? Yes. One. One. Yeah.
Dạ đã. Ok.
And
Dạ rồi.
yeah.
Ok.
Come on, come on.
Guru kìa.
You speak English?
Dạ. English kìa. Bé biết tiếng Anh không? Chú hỏi.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name Belgium.
My name Dan. Nice to meet you.
Ok.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
That's good.
Đường kêu là gì bé?
It's nom.
Bé.
No. Oh, lime. Lime is tart.
Yeah.
Good.
Nom.
No.
And mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit.
So fruit juices. Nice.
No.
Quay bé, quay video bé.
Nice.
Bé. Hỏi trên kìa, chụp hình quay.
No fancy blender here.
No, the manual one.
Yeah. I like the manual.
Quay đi bé. Lên lấy điện thoại xuống bé.
Today only walked 13, so it's horrible.
So I know good. It's not much.
No.
An orange.
But we walked up and down.
Lên lấy điện thoại xuống thôi. Chụp hình. Thấy không? Có đẹp.
How much do you think? You take the mixed one. The mixed one was most expensive, I think.
I think
Nhanh bé.
20. I think both of them are 20.
Yeah, all of them.
All two.
All four. 1, 2,
All
3,
four. There's
4,
four.
5.
But
Maybe
it's
shut down 20 as well.
Chụp đi.
it's been a real long time since I have a fruit drink.
Chụp khách đang mua đứng ngoài đường á. Rồi, chụp khách đang mua. Rồi, trà
You
đá.
want picture?
Chụp khách
Take
tay.
that one.
Yeah.
It's ruining the picture.
Yeah.
Đó, chụp khách ra đường đứng chụp vô á.
No.
Kìa. Tranh thủ. Tốt, chụp hai người luôn, bước ra đường á, ra đường chụp vô.
Okay, sorry,
Đó,
sorry.
con đi ra đường á, chụp vô
Sorry,
đây nè.
have to be
sorry.
in the picture.
Yeah.
Chưa đẹp, chưa chính xác, mất chân rồi. Canh có chân
À.
có đồ luôn.
Ra đường chụp vô đây á bé.
Chưa.
Are we done?
Đây nè,
Đó.
đứng ngoài kìa,
Đó.
đứng ngoài nè.
Đó.
Con này.
Shall we go there?
Mày buồn quá bé, mày đứng đây nè bé, mày đi đâu hả?
Ah.
Đó, chụp đây nè.
That's right, of course.
Ah.
Like this.
Đây nè.
Ah. Wait. Like this.
Chụp hình vô.
What? Little love.
Có chân nha, thấy người nha. Chụp bình thường, hỏi chân vô không được.
Little love. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Now we're finished.
Picture.
Thank you.
Ah.
Trà đá.
Chada, come on.
How much? Are you happy?
Yeah. Ok.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I'm fine.
Đâu đây mày chụp cho. Nè.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, nom. Nom. Good.
Yeah. The lime. I like it.
Oh, tasty. Very good. Come on. Bye bye. Bye bye. You don't need so many words to have a beautiful moment. And now the little lady can post this on her IG or something like that. Two old dumbasses buying drinks. But I got my beautiful shada, and Anna got her mixed fruit. I cannot say smoothie. Mixed fruit juice.
Juice, yeah.
Yeah.
Fruit juice.
little further down this beautiful road. We have got lucky with Google Maps this time. We got a little bit unlucky a few times where I walk with Google Maps. They always direct you to the bigger roads, but here we got super lucky with a small road. Just across the little river here. So super nice. We got houses, restaurants, and all these flowers. People are hanging up here for nice, or I don't know. Hello, just to grow to put inside later. I really don't know. You can see the brown house over there, the white house. It's stunning. And here's a homestay. So maybe a homestay next time here.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But that's expensive.
Yeah, and like I said, the water is decent. Not clean, but absolutely decent. I've seen worse. Nice old wooden house. Xin chào. Hello. He was a happy old man sitting here and eating lunch. He's boiling up some rice maybe.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah. And here we got panties and underwear. So here they dry all your, if you send your clothes on dry cleaning, it's getting dry here. And the way they tie the underwear and the socks, it was just the underwear was a new thing for you. So you said you like it, so you do like that now. When you hang out things in the wind.
Yeah. I never thought of it.
Oh.
It's perfect.
They loop it and they swoop it.
Yeah. It
So-
doesn't fall down.
No, so it's
You live and you learn.
yeah, smart thing. I learn things every day.
You never get too old. It was a funny road.
Oh, I think it's the best Google Maps road we have ever taken. Because it's a lot of small alleyways like this.
Yeah, but now
I really like them. So up here we can go, up here we can go. So nice.
what is that? Is it a grasshopper? You call that? How fun is the fella? Now we have walked home. We are back in the city. We just take a big loop around the lake. What was this? Another funny thing. So what's that? Help me out here. Yeah, we just go for a big round around the lake to really stretch the legs. Now the last bit from the lake, from the waterfall, we go into the city. So it's good to really pace up for a bit. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along on this a little adventure of this waterfall. And tomorrow we have plans for another hike, so please stay tuned for that one. And thank you so much for coming along. So subscribe, thumb up, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next one.